About 5 years ago, I was working a regular job, but also looking for better opportunities to make better income. Today, I run my own mobile detailing business and I learn everything from watching videos on YouTube and on social media. Before I started doing detailing, I was working as a pizza delivery guy. I worked mostly on the afternoon, nights, and mostly all day on the weekend. I was grateful for that job, but I knew it wasn't a long term career. I was making about 25 an hour if we count the tips, and that was fine, but I wanted to step it up and earn more and just take it to the next level. I have always wanted to have my own business and be my own boss, so I searched online for a service based mobile business since I already had a truck to begin with. And one of the options was mobile auto detailing. So I thought about it and I knew I liked to clean cars and make cars shine their best. And I said, why not? So I started doing some research on YouTube and found a few videos on how to start, what was required, how much can I earn. So I said, okay, I think I can do that. With about 1,000 to 1,500, I bought my first set of supplies and tools, just the basics to get started. I began spreading the word, telling family, friends, coworkers about my new detailing business. My first job was my uncle's Accord. That was an absolute learning experience. It took me hours, way longer than I expected. I made tons of mistakes, wrong clothing, I didn't bring any drinking water, I didn't have a clear process, and the car was black, which was horrible to drive without streaks under the hot sun. But that job taught me so much. I did the math. If I could make 150 a day, I could replace my delivery job. My first services were headlight restoration for $40 and full detailing for $80, which included exterior wash plus interior detailing with shampoo. This was very budget friendly for my area. I'll never forget the day that a friend introduced me to his coworkers. I booked three jobs right there, and I came to the exciting realization that I could turn this into a full time business relatively quickly. That week, I earned about the same as my full time job, and just that's when I knew I had to start taking it more seriously. I started using Facebook paid ads, and my calendar started to fill up, but I was a bit overwhelmed. I was taking too long on jobs, running late, and even being late to my delivery shifts. I finally thought about it and I decided to turn in my 2 week notice, and I never looked back. It took me around 6 weeks to quit my job after I started my mobile detailing business. Looking back, my biggest challenge was time management, definitely. I underestimated how long jobs would take and I didn't have a clear process. If I could go back, I'd spend more time researching tools, chemicals, techniques to make the transition smoother. But every mistake taught me something, and that's what got me here to where I am today. So that's my story from delivering pizzas to owning a mobile detailing business. If you're thinking about taking the leap, I'm here to tell you it's possible. I had no experience, no formal education, just determination and willingness to learn. If I can do it, so can you.